Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed what is the least number divided by a given number. We will get a perfect square number. Students, today we can discuss some questions from exercise 6.3. Question is, 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. According to the question, 2025 plants are planted in a garden. Their number of rows are equal to number of plants in each row. We have to find out the number of rows and number of plants in each row. Children, what is the total number of plants in the garden? 2025. Total number of plants in the garden equals 2025. According to the question, number of rows is equal to number of plants in each row. Once more, according to the question, number of rows is equal to number of plants in each row. How many plants in each row is equal to how many number of rows are there? According to question, number of rows, that is total number of rows is equal to number of plants in each row. That is equal to how much? Here we have to find out the square root of 2025. Square root of 2025. Once more here. According to the question, we have to find out total number of rows is equal to total number of plants in each row. We have to find out the square root of given number. Copy down this. Children, you already know how to find out the square root of a number. Here we have to find out the square root of 2025. 2025, taking prime factor is 3. 6 3s are 18, 2 left 22, 7 3s are 21, 1 left, number will become 15, 5 3s are 15. Again factor is 3. 3 2s are 6, then 3 2s are 6, 1 left, number will become 15, 5 3s are 15. Again factor is 3. 7 3s are 21, 1 left, number will become 15, 5 3s are 15. Then factor is 3. 3 2s are 6, 15, 5 3s are 15. Factor is 5. 5 5s are 25. Again factor is 5. 1 into 5, 5. Here prime factors of 2025 equals 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. After that, we have to make the pairs. 3 3, again 3 3, 1 pair, 5 5, 1 pair. Then square root of 2025 equals square root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Taking 1 from 2 3s. 1 3. From these 2 3s, take 1 3. These 2 5s, take 1 5. Then square root of 2025 equals 3 into 3 into 5. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 25. Then square root of 2025 equals 45. According to our question, what we have to find out? We have to find out number of rows, that is total number of rows, and total number of plants in each row. According to question, we understood total number of rows is equal to number of plants in each row. So here total number of rows is equal to 45. Then number of plants in each row. How much plants in each row is same as total number of rows, that is 44. Here total number of rows is 45 and number of plants in each row also 45. Then copy down this. Next we can go through 9th question. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the number 4, 9 and 10. Question once more. Find the smallest square number. The number is divisible by each of the number 4, 9 and 10. What is the question? Question is find the smallest square number. Which type of number? Find the smallest square number. That number is completely divisible by 4, 9 and 10. We have to find out the smallest square number. That square number is completely divisible by which are the numbers? 4, 9 and 10. For that we have to find out the LCM of 4, 9 and 10. You know how to find out the LCM of 4, 9 and 10. Then take the factor 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 9 take down. 5 2s are 10. Again factor is 2. 1 into 2 2. Take down 9 5. Again factor 3 1. Then 3 3s are 9 5. Then factor 3 1. 1 into 3 3. Take 5 down, then 5 factor 1 1, then 1 into 5 5. Then we have to write the LCM of 4, 9 and 10. LCM of 4, 9 and 10 equals these factors 2 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 5. Then multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are 180. After that, we have to find out the prime factors of this LCM. Again, after finding the LCM of given numbers, we have to find out the prime factors of 180. Prime factors of 180. That is prime factor 180. Here factor is 2. 9 2s are 18. 0 take down. Then 2. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. Then take factor 3. 1 3 3. 5 3s are 15. Factor is 3, 5 3s are 15, then factor 5, 1 into 5, 5. Prime factors of 180 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Then make it pairs, 2 2 1 pair, 3 3 1 pair. Then here we can see 5 is without pair. So this is without pair. Then the we have to find out the smallest square number. Then we have to finding out the smallest square number. We have to multiply LCM into without pair which number is there. We have to multiply both these numbers. Both these numbers means LCM and smallest number. Here smallest number means without pair number we have to multiply with the LCM. Then we will get the smallest square number. The smallest square number. Square number equals how? LCM into pair. Which number is without pair, that number we have to multiply. Then 500, 8 5s are 40, 1 into 5, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Then we got the smallest square number, that is 900. If we divide 900 by 4, no remainder we won't get, then completely divisible. 900 by 9, completely divisible. Then 900 by 10, then completely divisible. So which is the smallest square number, completely divisible by 4, 9 and 10. 900 is the smallest square number, completely divisible by 4, 9 and 10. Then copy down this. Ninth question is, find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. Question is, we have to find out the smallest number. That smallest square number divided by, that divided by means completely divisible by 8, 15 and 20. Children, how to solve this question? We have to take the LCM of 8, 15 and 20. LCM of 8, 15 and 20. Factor is 2. 4 2s are 8, 15, then 10 2s are 20. Take the factor 2. 2 2s are 4. Take down 15. 5 2s are 10. Factor is 2. 1 into 2, 2. 15 take down. 5 take down. Then factor is 3. 1 in 1. Then 5 3s are 15. Then take down 5. Factor is 5. 1. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 5, 5. Then what is the LCM? LCM of 8, 15, 20 equals, multiply these factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Multiply these factors, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120. What is the next part? Next, we have to take the prime factors of this LCM. Prime factors of LCM. Prime factors of 120. Take the prime factors 120. Factors 2, 6 2s are 12, then 0 take down, 2 factor, 3 2s are 6, 0. Then 2, 1, 1 into 2, 2, then 5 2s are 10, factor is 3, 5 3s are 15, factor is 5, 1 into 5, 5. Prime factors of 120 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. After that, we have to make it pairs. 2 to 1 pair. Here 2 doesn't have any pair. Then 3 also doesn't have any pair. 5 also doesn't have any pair. That time we have to multiply which are the numbers doesn't have any pair. We have to multiply that numbers. That is 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 5, 30. Then that 30 we have to multiply with the LCM. then we will get the smallest square number. That is the smallest square number equals LCM into this, multiply with this number, we have to multiply this LCM. LCM 120, without pair number multiply, we got how much? 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Then 0 0, then 3 2s are 6, 1 3, 6, then 1 0. Answer is 3600. That is the smallest square number, will completely divisible by 8, 15 and 20. Copy down. Students, once more I am explaining how to solve this type of questions. First we have to take the LCM of given numbers. After that we have to take the prime factors of that LCM. Then we will get one or more number will without pair. Multiply that number. Then that number multiply with the LCM. We will get the smallest square number. Students, we have completed exercise 6.3. You have to practice the questions and answers. You have to complete the copy.